first video back in India, and I am super excited because this is one of my favorite videos to actually film for you guys. I don't think कि मैं ये सारी चीज़ों का अगर बैठ के हिसाब करने लगी, guys, it's gonna blow my and your mind even more. Because I literally went crazy. You guys need to get your snacks, your drinks, sit, chill, and get cozy. Because I'm guessing this video is going to be an hour long. I have so many things to share with you guys, and I just feel so excited, like how excited I am to show all my friends everything that I got. Just like that, I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I got from my US trip. If you guys have not caught up already with all the vlogs, which I have a huge US series going on, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you guys to check out. So पहले जाके वो सारी चीज़ें देख लो क्योंकि वो भी बहुत fun और interesting vlogs है, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. And उसके बाद come back to this video to see everything that I got. Okay, so I have a lot of categories in here and I'm gonna be starting with clothing first. Now I will have to go a little back and forth because पूरा बैग भर के क्लोथ्स पड़े हैं वहाँ पे. सो मुझे एक सेक्शन में लाऊंगी एंड मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. थोड़ा पीछे बैकग्राउंड नॉइज होगा बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड टू नो वी आर बैक इन इंडिया. वहाँ जैसी शांति आपको नहीं मिलेगी यहाँ पे. भैया लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द क्लोथिंग आइटम्स. मैं ट्राई ऑन नहीं करूँगी. द ओनली रीज़न इज़ बहुत सारे ऐसे कपड़े हैं जो मैंने अभी तक पहने नहीं है. बहुत ऐसे हैं जो मैंने इतना ट्रायल भी नहीं किया है. सो आई डोंट वांट लाइक वेस्ट टाइम क्योंकि बहुत कपड़े हैं फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा. सो यू गाइज नीड टू फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड सब्सक्राइब ऑन माई यूट्यूब टू स्टे ट्यून्ड. एवरी टाइम आई विल बी वेयरिंग दीज पीसेस आई विल शो यू गाइज. अभी मैंने कपड़ों को कोई कैटेगरी में सॉर्ट आउट नहीं किया है लाइक टॉप्स टी शर्ट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट क्योंकि देन इट वुड बी टू मच ऑफ अ टास्क. आप आगे आके देखोगे कितनी सारी कैटेगरीज है. So let's get started with the clothing. The first thing that I actually have with me is super cute. Let me just like properly like set it up for you guys to see. I have these beautiful pair of white shorts from Zara and they have this kind of net working, and what I love about these is that these come with these kind of hooks and a button also, so it gives you double security. And if you guys want to tighten, मतलब अगर तुम्हें ये लूज लग रहा है तुम इसके ये जो like hook के ये है clips, you can actually add them ahead and then you know you can adjust the shorts का waist according to you, which is super good. Zara में sale थी so I got these. I will try to link in the sense all the clothes and everything that I've got as much as possible that's available in India down in the description. So make sure you check that out and also prices जितने मुझे याद होंगे मैं यहाँ पे रख दूँगी क्योंकि बहुत सारे के मैंने tags cut कर दिए especially when you come there. Immigration things that you are trying to like you know like sell things here, so you don't have to get like tagged items, especially when you are having a lot of clothes, so that's not allowed. So काफ़ी सारे tags वगैरह मैंने काट चुके हैं तो मुझे याद नहीं है, but जितने के भी याद हो गए I'm gonna leave them here on the screen for you guys to know. But I would say this is somewhere between like 2000 या 3000 rupees के shorts है ये. डॉलर्स में मुझे याद नहीं है एग्जैक्टली. मैं कभी कभी कन्वर्ट करती हूँ कभी नहीं करती हूँ. तो देन I have this very beautiful and sexy, and of course I have it in the color of the season, which is butter yellow. But look at that neckline, look at the cinch that is there, which is given on the sides and around the neckline, and ये एकदम net वाला material है but it's super comfortable. I got this from Target and I think this was for around $12 or $20 के बीच में, under 20, but I got this during the 4th of July sale, so मुझे कुछ 30-40% off पे मिला. And when I tried this I was so in love with this product that when I went to Target the next time, I ended up picking another one in black color. Like this would look so sexy and so classy when I would style it. Like I cannot wait to wear this outfit, especially with a pair of denims. This would look absolutely gorgeous. ओके देन आई हैड गॉन टू द आउटलेट मॉल एंड वहाँ पे एक स्टोर पे था कि यू गेट 3 टी-शर्ट्स फॉर $15. सो आई एंडेड अप पिकिंग फर्स्ट इज दिस वन. दिस इज वेरी कोजी comfy सॉफ्ट कॉटन मटेरियल. इट्स अ टैंक टॉप बट इट्स अ हाई नेक टैंक टॉप एंड बैक भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड अगर आपको रेगुलर वेयर में चाहिए, स्पेशली टू वेयर ऑन डेनिम्स एंड ऑल. दिस इज सो गुड. द मटेरियल इज सो comfortable and for $5 I think it's such a steal. And then I picked this one in another color as well. I picked it up in this sage green color, olive green again, which is a very trendy color this season, and both of them I have worn quite a few times and I can say they are super comfortable. एंड देन इसके साथ ये मैं निकालूंगी तो आपको लगेगा दिस इज़ अ क्लासिक यूएस टॉप. सो ये मैं ऐसे ही डेली वेयर के लिए, घर पे पहनने के लिए, नाइट सूट वगैरह के साथ पेयर करने के लिए आई गॉट दिस वाइट टॉप विच हैज़ लाइक दिस लेस डिटेलिंग ऑन द नेक. इट्स सुपर सुपर कंफर्टेबल. सो गॉट दीज 3 टॉप्स फॉर लाइक $15, $5 मतलब ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 400-500 रुपये में. सच अ गुड डील. एंड इंडिया में भी अभी इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी तो इतने में नहीं मिलता है. सो I'm super happy with that purchase. And then I got a very very sexy top. I got this one from a boutique actually and ये मुझे पता है कितने का है. So this is kind of this pattern. So I'll show you guys. ये एक साइड पे it has a full sleeve and then एक साइड पे it has this knot detailing that is going on and then it is kind of this floral mesh print that is really really trendy. The material is super soft and it fits me so well. It looks so classy and so elegant and this paired with like black pants would look so good. and मैंने actually एक बार पहना भी है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे चॉकलेट के स्टेन्स लगे हुए हैं. दिस आई गॉट फ्रॉम अ बुटीक इन न्यूयॉर्क तो थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव था. दिस वॉज फॉर लाइक $27 विच आई वुड से इज ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 2,500 रुपीज़, 2,000 to 2,500 रुपीज़ के जितना. But super good quality, so that is something that I really like about this. Then again I got a very basic tank top. This I picked up from Target during the Memorial Day sale I believe. This is a basic tank top and it says all American sweetheart, like such a cute American top, especially like to wear at Jay's place. Like the saying is just so cute. इसको भी घर पे पहनने के लिए basic सा टॉप है जो आप डाल सकते हो. बहुत क्यूट लगता है, बहुत कम्फी है. रिब्ड टैंक टॉप है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट. दिस वाज प्रीटी चीप. आई थिंक $10 $12 या उसके नीचे. एंड प्लस आई हैड मोर लाइक 30-40% ऑफ. सो आई वुड से लाइक अंडर $10 आई गॉट दिस. देन आई हैव 2 स्कार्फ टॉप्स एक्चुअली टू शो यू गाइज. फर्स्ट इज दिस वन एंड द डिजाइन इज दिस जो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया हुआ है ना. सो ये येलो कलर है एंड देन आप देख सकते हो ये फ्लावर का कलर है. इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. सो मी एंड जयस कजिन गॉट मैचिंग वन. सो इट वाज लाइक buy one get one 50% off. So originally it's for $20. I don't know if you guys can see, but since we got on buy one get one 50% off, so we got it for like $15 each. So this is what we got in matching. And then ये बहुत end में मेरे को realize हो कि oh my god, like scarf tops could be a thing. And since I am someone who has a very petite body, so it's easier for me to like style and you know like have good coverage over my body with these kind of things. This I got from Cotton On. And then same thing I picked up from Marshalls for $7. Like oh my god, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, इनका clothing collection is so good. Marshalls I really like for clothes. TJ Maxx more for like skincare and stuff. I'm also gonna make a video where I guide you guys to all the clothes that stores that you should go shopping for. कहाँ क्या चीज़ें मिलेगी मैं सब आपको बताऊंगी. So stay tuned for all those videos. But then I got this beautiful like leopard and cheetah print. ये मेरे को चाहिए था, मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So then I ended up getting this one and I think both of them are like really good picks. This is a very nice summer pick. This is a good dinner time outfit to go. Then another thing I picked up from Cotton On is this very beautiful, this cutest and softest mint green t-shirt. This is from their basics collection and it has this like yellow detailing on the neck and the sleeves. And I only picked up this for its color. मुझे और कोई reason नहीं था guys. ये $20 का t-shirt था. It's definitely not worth the price, but I really like the color and that's why I picked this one up. You're gonna see a lot of crochet works and all of that. So I have these cutest white crochet shorts that I picked up from Target. These were for like I think $25 or something, but these are so good and shorts are so in for summer. They fit me super well and I love that they have this like nada kind of thing. so that you know you kind of like can cinch it nicely to your waist, because कभी कभी इनका size runs up, तो बहुत बार bottoms का fitting इतना अच्छा नहीं आता है, but these fit me super well, so I'm super happy. I think 25 या $26 के थे, but I am super happy with my purchase. Then I have a shirt which you guys must have seen on my Instagram stories, and you will of course see in my vlogs. I picked up this semi-formal shirt. So ये बहुत trendy है आजकल, like you know dual collared shirts. Basically the collar is a different color and the entire shirt is a different color, and this one is kind of a cropped shirt, एकदम full size नहीं है, and it is kind of a flowy oversized shirt, तो एकदम slim fit वाला नहीं है. It's like basically a very casual thing which you can wear with shorts, या तो अगर तुम formally पहन करते हो तुम actually इसको blazer वगैरह के साथ या pants के साथ pair कर सकते हो. This I got from Old Navy, super comfortable. I like to wear it with shorts and pair it up casually. This was I think for like $18 or like $15 or something like that, and yeah, a very nice basic shirt to have. Then Walmart से मैंने एक ही चीजें खरीदी, so I didn't really like Walmart as such for the kind of clothing and the quality that they had, but I really picked like these pants from there. These are like these basic ripped flare pants that I got, and this color I really liked. Yeah, I think like $5 या $7 के ही थे, which is like under 1,000 rupees. But the only problem with the pants and everything वहाँ पे है ना, like उसका bottom इतना लंबा है तो मेरी height के लिए it's like dangling, so मुझे वो सारी चीज़ें alteration करानी पड़ती है. That's why I didn't pick up a lot of like pants and a lot of like bottoms as such. shorts वगैरह ये सब लिया है मैंने, but not like full length pants, cause उसमें हमेशा मुझे लंबा पड़ता है their sizing, and this is an excess, like mind you this is an excess. ये फिर भी मुझे ऐसे होता है, but I really like the material, the fit, and especially like I get very skeptical about the fitting around the crotch area, so this fits me really well. It's very soft and comfortable, तो घर पे पहनने के लिए this is the perfect thing that you could get. इसमें actually काफी सारे colors भी थे. I believe there was a black as well, but मेरे पास बहुत black bottoms है, so I was like let me pick up a different color that will go with you know different kind of tops as well. Basic black top white top के ऊपर जाएगा, so that is why I ended up picking that one. And then I got a very beautiful top. This is a top from Zara. मेरे को ऐसा लगा था actually ये one piece है, but when I wore it I ended up realizing it's a top, and it's a beautiful V-neck top, and that same V pattern now, as you guys can see, it's kind of followed in the bottom as well with the ruffles. Back is short, front is tall, and I love the V-neck. It makes your neckline look so sexy. It's so beautiful. You can make it up modest. You can just wear a spaghetti inside and like cover it up, or you can wear like a lace designer this thing and kind of you know have it with you. But this actually I got it at full price. I could not find one online that was in my size on sale, so I had to get it up at full price, and I would say this was kind of expensive, like $30 or $40 का ये था. But I really liked it because the way it fit my body was absolutely stunning. So I thought I have to get this one. Another crochet thing we have with us here are these very beautiful blue crochet shorts. Yes, completely see through. So इसके अंदर आपको nude tights पहनने पड़ेंगे, and मैंने ये पहना है एक vlog में जहाँ पे मैं स्कूटर वगैरह चला रही हूँ, so आप वो चेकआउट कर सकते हो. These look absolutely beautiful with a white tank top or a spaghetti. Only problem with these is ये थोड़े से लूज है, so मुझे यहाँ पे आके इसमें नाड़ा वगैरह डलवाना पड़ेगा so that अच्छे से fit हो. But I got these from Aerie for like $9, and I was like that's such a good steal deal. Another steal deal I would say for $9 is this very beautiful kind of this rose pink colored tank top that I got from this random store, kind of like a Spanish store that was selling everything for $9. And then I picked this up because ये color मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's like a very rosy mauvey shade, very comfortable. This I have worn in New York heat, and I must say like it's so comfortable, such good quality, and बहुत अच्छे pictures आए. मेरे सारे अच्छे pictures ये वाले top में आए हैं. उसके बाद I gone to the outlet mall. I shopped a few things from Guess, so let me show that first. I told you guys be ready, there are a lot of shorts here and काफ़ी similar looking है, but I was like if not now then when. So I got these beautiful pair of like striped shorts, again नाड़ा के साथ आता है, and also it has this scrunchy elastic, so it gives a very nice snug fit on the waist. And if you go to the US, you will see every other person wearing striped shorts, striped pants. Their style is very basic and very casual, so this is what you will end up seeing a lot of people wearing, especially these stripes are super in right now. These are linen shorts as far as I believe. यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, but I think these are linen shorts because ये cotton तो नहीं लग रहा है. And these I got for $35, and I think for the quality, the look, the kind of fit that it gives, these are like super worth it. Then I got two basic tank tops from Guess, which I was supposed to get from Aritzia for like $50, and I found similar ones on Guess, so I was like, why not? So this is what it looks like. This is a basic tank top, and इसमें है ना, cause ये Guess का है, it has this tiny little branding that you can see right here. I got the size extra small, leg, they have duals, and these fit so well. The reason I got this is first इसका material, it's like it's double triple toned cloth, so it's very premium quality. बिल्कुल भी पतला नहीं है, washing से बिल्कुल भी खराब नहीं होगा. And these are very similar to the cotton ones that I got previously, वो green और yellow color का. These are very similar, but the quality is much premium. And I also got these because ये pair up करने के लिए काफ़ी, like if you have like a pair of pants or skirt or shorts, and if you want your basics, especially to layer up, these are so good. I got this, and then I got a similar one in white as well. They also had a beige color, but I was like black and white seems perfect. So each of these, so they were on some discount, and each of these first for like $20, which is almost like 1800 rupees, and I think it's not a bad deal, especially for the kind of quality that I was looking for. These are super good. Then I picked up actually a very good steal deal from the Target clearance section. I picked up this beautiful, I don't even know what to call it. It literally matches my nails, but this beautiful green colored skirt. It's a net skirt, and पूरा almost मेरे को ankle तक आता है, so I would say like a midi skirt. And this was literally for $9, guys, like almost for like 800 rupees, I would say. And that is such a good deal, like so good. I've actually even worn this जब outlet mall shopping जाती हूँ ना, तब I have worn this. You guys must have seen it, and super good, very good quality, very comfortable, and अंदर layer भी है, so it's not a very see through, but super good fabric and super good product, you know, style as well. जो वो tank tops लिए उसके साथ style कर सकती हूँ, spaghetti वगैरह के साथ style कर सकते हैं. So this is a very good quality product. Then I ended up picking only one full sleeves because इंडिया में इतनी ठंडी वगैरह रहती नहीं है, तो मैं ज़्यादा full sleeves लेती नहीं हूँ. But this one I really ended up liking. So this is kind of this waffle print sweatshirt type thing that I ended up getting again. I think I got this from Aerie, I believe. Yeah, this one is from Aerie. I think $12 या $15 इतने का कुछ था, या under $10 probably, I don't know. But yeah, this is what I got. I really like the color as well, and the print and how it looked on me. So then I ended up getting this one. Another $9 pick that you guys are gonna be impressed with are these beautiful pair of skirts. It looks like a skirt. It has this beautiful gold detailing, and it of course is a short. ये मैंने पहना भी है, and it just looks so good. इसका fabric quality भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's like very thick, बिल्कुल see through नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी cheap fabric नहीं है जो uncomfortable, and it fits perfectly on my waist as well. So I really like this. A very unique piece and a very must have piece, I would say, to keep in your closet, because इसको आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. इसमें और भी डिज़ाइन था, but I picked this one especially because the gold one really enhances and elevates the look. It makes it look more classy and more kind of, you know, like not कि oh $9 का है वैसे नहीं लगता है. So this is something that I picked up. Okay, then I got this very cute top from H&M. मैंने वहाँ का ज़ारा H&M भी चेक किया हुआ है. I wanted to go to literally every store that has something to offer for me. So I picked up this cute like spaghetti top. I think green is also the color of this season. So I ended up picking this basic cute top. I think this was for like $20 or something like that. So I picked it up because I really liked it. You can actually like ये पहनते हो तभी बहुत rich and luxurious लगता है पहनने के लिए. It looks very like party wear. बिल्कुल भी basic सा नहीं लगता है. So that's why I ended up picking this up. And then a steal that I actually picked up. Oh my god. I got this very hot, like classy Zara formal this thing. Let me just get up and show you guys actually. Don't mind my bottoms, okay guys? This is the reality. You wear like different shorts and this thing, but this is the dress that I ended up getting. So it's kind of this top is like blazer cut, Then it has these two this thing. It has a nice cinching on the waist, and then it flares down up. Similar with the sleeves as well. It has a nice cut. But the moment you wear this, it's such a cute and like sexy formal X like sexy vibe to it, and it is from Zara because that's what it says. And I picked this up from Marshalls, and I picked it up for like $17, you guys. And the way it fits me, oh my god, I love the way it hugs my body. The only thing is ना मेरे को थोड़ा neck का fitting करना पड़ेगा because it falls apart fully, like it's openable. So I think that is something that I will have to get adjusted, but I absolutely love this piece so much. It's such a good thing for like dinners or like some party that you want to attend, like such a good thing. I told you guys, sit with your snacks and your drinks, and I'm thinking that now that we are so far and already almost like 15-20 minute worth of content हो चुका है, I think I'm gonna do clothing, bags and footwear in one video, and then I'm gonna do the entire beauty section in another video, like my beauty and perfumes and all of that, because otherwise it's gonna be more than an hour long, which I don't want. So I will just split it into two parts. But let's move on. Then let me show you guys this actually very good pair of leggings, black leggings with side pockets that are like super deep and very comfortable. It's an ankle length basic black leggings. This I ended up getting from Sam's Club, which is similar to Costco. It's a competitor. I say it's a dupe, Jay says it's a competitor to Costco, and I think these were for like $10 or $20, and the quality is super good, very comfortable. मैंने उनको पहना है, बहुत अच्छा fit भी आता है. इसमें काफ़ी colors भी है, so if you guys are ever going there, the only problem is you need a membership. So if you know your relative or like someone who's staying in the US, and if you want to check it out, it's actually a pretty good option to see. And then another pair of pants that I ended up getting, these were from Ross. And again, I told you guys stripes are a big thing. So this is what the pant looks like. Top पे ये buttoning design है, and then like these are the plain pants. Again, these are ankle length as well. इसमें मेरे को थोड़ी सी fitting करानी पड़ेगी. So मैं वो देखूंगी. But I got these in Ross, and I think $8 या $9 के pants थे. So super good. I think I have showed these to you guys in one of my try-ons as well. Then I ended up picking this very cute polka dot dress. अब देखोगे बहुत सारी patterns वगैरह इतना नहीं है. काफ़ी basic stuff है, because US में that's mostly what you get, because that's their style as well. So I ended up picking this very cute halter neck polka dot dress, almost knee length jitna hai, and I love the neckline as well. Like this is what it looks like. I love the cinch detailing that is going on in there. A very cute basic backless halter neck polka dot dress. And I don't remember actually how much this one was for, but the moment I wore it, it just looked so cute on me that I had to get it. Then I think another one of this which I've already worn, I think this one was from like TJ Maxx or somewhere like that, but basically this is dupe of like a scarf top. So आगे ऐसे triangle shape दिया है, पीछे there is stuff, and then you can like of course tie this top back there. It is not like detachable, ये sewn है, so very good quality top. This was I think for like $12 or $13, and actually looks very good. Skirt के साथ, jeans के साथ, shorts के साथ, सबके साथ अच्छा लगता है. Fabric is also very good, and I really ended up liking the print. So that's the piece that I got. Then end में ना Marshall से काफ़ी सारी shopping हो गई थी. End में I was like मुझे सब कुछ लेके जाना है. So then I ended up getting this cutest summery spaghetti top. I love the color scheme, especially like the butter yellow and the sky blue. It just looks so pretty. The top fits me so well. And one thing I really appreciate is that it has adjustable straps, because US में clothing में adjustable straps find करना is a hassle, and most of them just come down so much down my chest that I don't really end up getting good stuff because they don't have adjustable straps. So this was one with that, so that is why I really liked this, and I picked it up and it was quite cheap as well. Then again I got this beautiful halter neck corset top. Oh my god, look at that color, the way it fits me, the back, it looked absolutely stunning. and so good. I love this color. I don't have anything like this, and I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to experiment with my style. I think that is what I've been doing in the last 2-3 years. If something has changed about me, it is my style. I'm open to wearing clothes that are not that modesty, I would say, clothes that make me feel very sexy, crop tops and all of that, which I never used to wear before. So I started wearing these since the last 2-3 years, and I'm so glad that I am stepping my foot out and I'm having fun at it. The last top that I have to show you guys is this cute little tube top. Oh my god, look at that color and the cute flower design, so summer appropriate. And this is my first ever tube top, and I got it because it fit me, because पीछे ना ये cinch detailing है, so it fits really well. And it was pretty cheap as well. I think $12 or something like that. So I ended up getting it, and it looks so cute. I saved the best for the last. I got myself an Aritzia dress. Oh my god, look at that. So this is a halter neck backless bodycon dress from Aritzia in this hot orange color, like such a vibrant color. And the way this fits me, okay, I'm gonna pop pictures of it. I'm not gonna put a back because I was wearing something underneath and it's kind of visible from the back as well, but this just looks so beautiful, so hot. I ended up getting this on sale and I got it for like $64, but this is so worth it. The fabric, you guys, like it's such a stretchable fabric, and it's like double coated. It's so good. It's so comfortable, and the way it fits my body is just, I fell in love with this fabric. And actually यही fabric में मैं वो tank tops लेने वाली थी जो मेरे को Guess में मिल गए, but I was like, this I could not resist. Even I showed Jay and he was like, you have to get this. So this probably is something that I'm saving for my birthday this year. You guys will see or might have seen, I don't know ये videos कब तक post होते रहेंगे, but this is what I ended up getting for my first Aritzia purchase. And even like the girl I was like billing this, she was like, great pick. I got a top in the same shade and in the same look, and it's like super trendy and it looks so cute. And I totally agree, it's such a vibe. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it just looks so good. It's such a multi-purpose outfit, and I would say like this is something that I would pay that much money for, like 5k or something, which is I would say very similar to Zara pricing in India अगर तुम Zara से लेने जाओगे, but Zara का quality is super cheap. This is such good quality, and I love what I picked up for my first purchase. Last thing I have to show you guys are a pair of night suits. Actually 3 pairs of night suits. Now that is something I would recommend you guys is USA night suits लो, but अगर तुम्हें height के issues है तो तुम shorts वाले ले लो, वरना full pant वाले भी बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं, 3 piece भी बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं, gowns, dresses, all of those kind of night suits, बहुत ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं. क्वालिटी सुपर प्रीमियम एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कंपेरेबल अगर यहाँ पे तुम वेस्ट साइड या कहीं से लेने के लिए जाओगे तो. सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई पिक्ड अप वाज फ्रॉम सैम्स क्लब. इट्स एक्चुअली अ कॉर्ड सेट, बट आई लाइक टू यूज इट एज माई नाइट सूट. सो दीज आर दीज पिंक पेयर ऑफ शॉर्ट्स दैट आर सो सॉफ्ट. लाइक आई डोंट नो ये क्या मटीरियल है, बट ये इतना सॉफ्ट है. लेट मी जस्ट सी. इट्स मोडाल recycled polyester and spandex, that is what it says. And then I ended up getting this t-shirt which is actually an oversized t-shirt, and ये मैंने बहुत बार पहन चुका है. ये इतना comfortable है. I think together this was for like $20 or something like that, but oh my god, the comfort that this thing gives you is next level. ये कि इतना अच्छा है, इतना comfortable है. I wish they had more colors that I could pick this one up from, but I loved this baby pink color. Then another pair which I picked it up, I think from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, is from Nine West. Basically this blue basic shorts and t-shirt wala night suit that I ended up getting. This is what the t-shirt looks like, and again a very basic, I think $15 या इतने का कुछ था. very comfortable एंड वेरी बेसिक. एक्चुअली मुंबई में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है मुझे ये सारे पहनने के लिए, शॉर्ट्स वाले, क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी होती है हमारे यहाँ पे. सो एक्चुअली वेरी गुड पिक, एंड आई रियली लाइक द कलर इज वेल. दिस आई पिक्ड अप आई थिंक फ्रॉम मार्शल्स, एंड आई फाइनली गॉट द बो पैटर्न. यू गाइज, बोज आर ट्रेंडिंग in this season, and I ended up getting a night suit in the same pattern, the same thing, and then इसके shorts भी same है, but इसके shorts में नाडा भी दिया हुआ है guys. These are for like I think $18 or $19, something like that. but this is what the shorts look like. Very very comfortable, like a fabric is so good. I don't know ये क्या material use करते हैं, but the fabric is just like so comfy, like एकदम blanket वाली feeling देता है, like so comfortable, hugs your body so well. So yeah, that is it, and that is actually the last piece of clothing that I have to share with you guys. And that was the entire clothing haul that I ended up getting from the US. Let me know इसमें से आपका favorite pick क्या था in the comments down below. And now let's move on to the next category. इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं कि मेरे लैप में फिट नहीं हो रही है, but we're gonna talk about bags, and I ended up getting quite a lot of them, but all of them I would say are under $20, and you're gonna be shook by the kind of bags and the color and the designs that I ended up getting. So let me start with the first bag, which I actually got. Okay, let them fall down, which I actually got very last moment pe at Marshalls, I believe. So it is this super cute nude color ka bag, and it has these buckle detailing going on. इसको मैंने यूज करा हुआ है, but it basically is like this. इसके अंदर और एक चेन आता है, and it has these gold accents going on. I love the strap as well, like side bags, these just look so good. ये मैंने everyday wear के लिए भी यूज किया है, like the color is so neutral, and मेरे पास ये कलर का actually कुछ भी नहीं था. So I really liked this one, and I ended up picking this one. And from Ross I actually ended up picking this huge tote bag, जो काफ़ी H&M वगैरह में ट्रेंडी है, स्पेशली दिस लाइक सॉफ्ट पैडिंग वाला मटेरियल. द स्पेस इनसाइड इज ह्यूज, लाइक काफ़ी कुछ है, एकदम अच्छा पैडिंग है, एंड एक छोटू सा चेन भी मिल जाता है, एंड साथ में यू ऑल्सो गेट अ स्मॉल पाउच एंड अ बेल्ट, लाइक जस्ट एज एन एक्सेसरी. एंड दिस एक्चुअली लुक्स सो क्यूट, लाइक साइड पे तुम रेगुलर ऑफिस वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा. आई थिंक दिस वॉज फॉर लाइक $15, एंड इट्स सो गुड. द क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो सो गुड, द मटीरियल एंड द लुक, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी ट्रेंडी राइट नाउ, एंड इसमें कुछ नॉट डिटेलिंग किया हुआ है. सो सुपर गुड. आई रियली लाइक दिस. बेसिक ब्लैक है, सबके साथ जाएगा. Another trendy piece actually I ended up picking from Target is this absolutely stunning transparent bag. Transparent bags are the thing right now, and I love this. You can use this as a crossbody, you can use this as a normal sling bag, and I love that इसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आ सकती है, like बहुत अच्छी स्पेस है. मैंने इसको एक दो बार यूज़ भी किया हुआ था. So this is pretty good. Then another trendy color of the season, of course I had to get a bag in butter yellow color, and these kind of bags are very trendy. Similar to Bottega dupes, but Bottega is like fully cinched in at the top. Coach is also trying to do it, and I really loved the color. I love that it comes with silver accents, so pretty, and material भी काफ़ी अच्छा, and in general space भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. like इसके अंदर मैंने इतना कुछ सामान फिल करके रखा है, लाइक मेरे पैसे हैं, मेरी पावर बैंक, स्नैक्स वगैरह, कितना कुछ है, एंड एवरीथिंग एक्चुअली लाइक फिट्स इन सो वेल. इसमें मेरा पूरा स्किन केयर का स्टैश है. So I really love the utility, and again this is another color which is very trendy, but it will also go with a lot of pieces. You can style this up, you can style this down. मैं तो almost daily wear वगैरह के लिए काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ, and that's why I don't end up spending on bags that much, because I use bags on a very daily basis, and I don't like to like splurge on expensive bags. I feel like I like to get cheaper bags, but like more of them. Maybe someday I will be that girl that spends on luxury bags, but for now I really like the ones that I have picked. We have two more black bags. First is this one. Oh my god, like this is a statement on its own. The material, it screams luxury. The look, it screams luxury. These bow and diamonds, trendy and luxury, and it also has a lot of space in it. Like, can you guys look? And सारे ही bags में जिसमें handles वगैरह आते हैं, all of them have an extendable this thing also. You can use that as sling, cross body and everything. So इनके साथ भी आता है इसका attachment. This was for $20, and oh my god, this is worth so much more than that. Like so good. I saw this and I was like, I have to get this. Like, looks so classy. एंड इसके साथ ही दूसरा बैग भी मुझे दिखा, जो मुझे लगा कि मुझे तो ये लेना ही चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स सारी चीज़ें मुझे लेनी चाहिए, बट हैव अ लुक एट दिस. Have a look at this absolute stunner of a bag. Is this not like the cutest bag that you could have? I love the heart detailing, and I also love the fact that the like buckle जो उसका होता है, like the magnet is also heart shaped. Again, this one comes with a chain, it comes with straps inside, quite a lot of space in it as well. It also has actually pouches to keep your cards, so super good, very secure. And this was literally for $13. I was like, how can I not get it? Like, so good, the quality is so good, the material is super good, बिल्कुल भी cheap नहीं लगता है. कहीं से भी इनमें कोई भी बैग्स में आप देखोगे कहीं से भी थ्रेड्स हैंगिंग नहीं है, या कुछ लूज थ्रेड्स है, या कहीं से सिलाई निकली हुई है, फटा हुआ है. ऑल ऑफ देम आर सच गुड क्वालिटी बैग्स. लाइक these feel like the price that I got them from, it feels like मैंने बैंड्रा लिंकिंग रोड से शॉपिंग की है, बट मच सुपीरियर क्वालिटी दैन दैट. एंड ये देख के तो आई वॉज लाइक, भाई मुझे तो ये लेना ही चाहिए. आई डोंट रियली लाइक टू परचेज अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक बैग्स बिकॉज आई हैव वन ब्लैक बैग दैट लाइक suffices everything, but like these were so cool that I had to pick them up. Next two bags, let me tell you guys the deal that I got. I got them from the outlet mall, and basically I went on the Memorial Day sale and I went to Aldo. So they usually had some sale on their bags. Suppose like $80 का बैग है तो $40 में या $60 में. I don't know what that lady did. She gave me an additional 50% off or something. I ended up getting 3 bags from Aldo just for $50, which is almost like 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. And if you go and check out these bags individually on the Aldo website, especially in India, like I think discount करके या MRP पे something, these retail each for 12,000 rupees, and I got 3 bags for 5,000, which is almost like 1,500 rupees ka ek bag. I was like, oh my god, girl, bless you. Let me show you guys what I ended up. One of them was for someone to gift, so that's obviously not there with me. But I ended up getting this beautiful crossbody bag. I love the straps that come with it. They just look so classy. I love this color. I love the black, white and gold accents going on. It comes actually with 2 chains of drawers, जिसमें काफ़ी सारी स्पेस है. इट्स अ वेरी स्टर्डी बैग. पीछे का चेन भी है, एज यू गाइज कैन सी. वहाँ पे और एक अंदर पॉकेट भी है to keep your cards and everything. And if you don't want to keep your cards there, we also have something to keep your cards right at the back. I love the minimal design. I love how मिनिमलिज्म में ही ये इतना एक्सपेंसिव लगता है. आई लव द लुक. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स थे, बट दिस कलर वॉज इट. लाइक दिस जस्ट स्क्रीम्ड टू मी. दिस वॉज सो गुड, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड आई गॉट दिस. वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट पिक्स. मेरे पास वाइट बैग्स इतने नहीं हैं, स्पेशली जो है उनके कलर खराब हो जाते हैं. सो आई फाइनली एंडेड अप गेटिंग दिस वन, एंड आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड. नेक्स्ट बैग, लेट इट हैव इट्स मोमेंट, यू गाइस. What in the world is that bag? It is glistening and shimmering, and oh my god, like look at that back. So sexy. Look at that handle that goes with it. Makes it look amazing. It of course comes with these chains as well. If you guys want to use it, which I probably will not. So spacious. Oh my god. Like I literally, every single time like I have this bag in my hand, I just cannot stop admiring it. The shine, the glisten, and absolutely not cheap quality जो काला पड़ जाए. This is one of my most worth it purchases, I would say. Like it's a steal deal to be able to get this kind of bag at this price. Like I am obsessed, and obsessed is an understatement for this bag. Okay, let's move on to the last category for this video. For the part 1 is footwear, and I don't have a lot to share with you guys, just 3 pairs. So let's get started. First are these beautiful pair of shoes from Puma that I got, and these exactly match that t-shirt that I showed you guys. Mint green and yellow color of the season. I actually was not intending to buy shoes because Jay had already gotten 2 pairs for me when he came back last December, so almost like 6 months back. But I saw this, I loved the color and the pricing. These were literally just for $30. These are the Puma Soft Rides. These are the only shoes that I will choose to wear for my life. And if you are someone who's struggling when your feet hurt while walking, if you have a long standing job, please trust me. Please go to Puma and buy from their Soft Ride collection. You will thank me all your life. Because I work in healthcare, I work almost 12 hours a day, where most of my job consists of like standing, walking around, running here and there, and my feet will not feel a thing the moment I step out of these shoes. Like, they are so comfortable, so soft, so supportive, and actually meant for long standing hours. So good. And the fact that I got them just for $30, I was like, I have to get these. So good. I cannot like stop being in love with them, and like the color is also so pretty. Then from Marshalls I ended up picking a pair of flats. This is what they look like, and I think again these were for like $20 or something like that. But I don't usually wear flats, especially slides. These fit so well. The look is so pretty. And मेजर थिंग दैट आई विल नॉट बाय अ स्लाइड इफ दे डोंट हैव गुड कुशनिंग. इसका कुशनिंग इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी का है. इट हैज़ अ नाइस हील, वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी कंफर्टेबल. माई साइज इज 6.5 in the US, and like such a good deal everyday wear के लिए, to style it up, style it down, even when you're wearing a nicer outfit and you just want to slip on in a pair of slides. I think these are super good. So I'm super glad that I got this. Like nude beige color है, तो बहुत सारे outfits पे जाएगा. Last one has to be a stunner, and you guys are gonna be shook. Look at this pair of heels that I secured. Like, oh my god, look at that. It has bows, it has a good stiletto, it has an absolutely stunning look. Oh my god, these were my most expensive purchase in terms of shoes. These ones for $35. I ended up getting them from Marshalls. So soft, so comfortable. The padding is great. The look absolutely beautiful. The color is stunning. I do not have a color like this, and when you wear them they make such a nice statement. These would go well with dresses, with denims. These would be perfect, like a match made in heaven. And I love that the heel is like not too long. They are super comfortable to walk in. You won't slip in. It fits perfectly around my ankle. The straps are not loose at all. Like, such a stunning pair of footwear. I am in love. And those were all the things, clothing, bags and footwear included for the part 1 of this video. I have linked everything down that I could for you guys in the description box, and stay tuned for part 2 because it's an entire beauty heaven, and you guys are going to be shook at the deals that I got them for, and I'm going to give you lots of tips and tricks, so stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe down. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.